Jouer. J'ai vu la toute première scène. C'est pour ça que je serais pas surpris. Mais hâte quand même. Activer pour s'assurer l'audio et les sous-titres. Ça, ce serait trop drôle, genre le bip bip bip. Mais non, on va garder la profanité. Par contre, la censure visuelle, oui. Et repasser la musique sous licence, oui. Alors, interactif, j'avais essayé. Justement, toute première scène, c'est un peu de la merde. Moi, ça me sort un peu du truc, donc je vais mettre ça. Et c'est parti. Prenez un petit thé, ça va être bien. Critiquer le rôle, on en parle ou pas? Incroyable qu'ils en font une go là-bas.
Obviously, I love him. He's my dad. What does that mean? Just say what you want to say.
It's just, when you add obviously, it feels a little less obvious. So, I'll ask again. How do you really feel about your father? It's as if maybe it's a little more complicated than you feel comfortable admitting, which is completely understandable.
Didn't really know him well. He wasn't around much.
Well, you're gonna see him even less now, because he's dead.
Just so sensitive. Listen, if I didn't love him, we wouldn't be here, right?
We don't have to get into it.
Nope, we're in it now. Why would I be trying to find the man who killed him if I didn't love him? Why would I be doing any of this? Shit. My nose is bleeding. Thought I was getting emotionally snotty.
No, it's probably from when I kicked you in the face.
Yeah, thanks for reminding me. So, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna hang you off the side of this building, and you're gonna tell me where Shroud is, or I'm going to drop you to your death.
Come on, I thought we were having a breakthrough.
Hey, we did. You know, for being a real piece of shit, you're pretty easy to talk to, but the only breakthrough I need right now is the location of Shroud.
I'm not telling you shit, you fucking loser!
See, this is more like how I thought this would be.
I hope Shroud kills you just like he killed your father. I hope he fucking spanks your little daddy issue bitch ass to death, you hear me? Are we outside?
Windy up here tonight, huh?
Why are we outside?
No telling where you'll
It
live.
smells like outside smells. Fuck, wait, wait!
I have neighbors. Use your inside voice and just tell me where Shroud is.
Okay, steel mill, Llewellyn Steelworks, okay? Fuck!
You sure about that?
Yes, please, that's all I know!
Stop screaming, god damn it.
Help! Help!
Hey, I will pull you up if you quiet the fuck down.
Help!
Honestly, it was nice talking to someone about this stuff. I guess what I'm saying is, I'm really glad I kidnapped you tonight.
MDR. Mise en scène incroyable en tout cas. J'adore. B. C'est discret ça. Personne ne sait que c'est lui. J'espère que ça vous plaît, parce que moi ça me plaît. censée faire un truc? Non, je sais rien faire, hein. On est d'accord. Musique. Ah wesh, je dois jouer. Ah merde, attends, faut que je me mette en... Voilà, merci.
Time to finish this.
Le gameplay quoi. Wesh, c'est long.
All right, next one. And a swish. Just one more.
Si hacker était aussi facile. Ah.
All right, got it.
Hacking. Mhm.
Hey, can I get a copy of that video when we're through here? Because it's over, Shroud. And it would be nice to watch that back at a different angle.
Oh no, it's over, Shroud!
All this build up, face to face with your father's killer, and you come in here with that lame shit?
Ugh, where the fuck is Shroud?
He'll be here in a bit. Oh, hey! After our conversation, I asked him about your dad. Fun little tidbit. He was very well hydrated. Turns out right after Shroud shot him in the chest, your dad pissed his pants. Bet you didn't know that, huh? So after that bullet tore through his insides, he still had enough time to know how absolutely fucked he was and just pissed himself like a little bitch. It was like so much piss. Because your dad was wearing shorts, so
Hey.
it just kept...
I get it.
Yeet.
Can we just skip to the part where you reveal your bullshit superpower so we can fight for real? Cool dick. So, you, got some kind of clever supervillain name?
You can call me toxic.
Bro, that works on so many levels for you.
Yeah, no shit. That's the point!
Secours. La censure.
Shroud's augments are pretty good when normies like you use them. When you put them on someone who already has powers, fucking chef's kiss.
J'en peux plus de ce carré noir. Aïe aïe aïe. Celui qui, ou celle qui l'a fait, il a dû s'amuser. Hein.
Figures.
Oui. Ah ouais. Un relou. Coucou, salut Maëlle Elite, désolé, je suis en plein dans le truc. Bah ouais, ça lance direct le jeu. Hein. J'avais trop hâte.
So, what do you got left on them shields? I said 40%, but Boss Man says you're down to 28. And he is not wrong about these things. Good news, buddy. Shroud says he just wants the Astro Pulse, which we all know isn't really yours anyway.
Comment ça va Maë?
System check. Calculate the damage per second hitting shields. Then tell me how many seconds I need to divert.
J'espère que tu as préparé un bon petit café ou un petit thé ou un petit tiel.
0.89 seconds of damage before critical.
Oh hey, Boss Man says if you're planning on diverting pulse power to the boosters, it won't work. This is a limited time offer, dude. What's up? You were so fucking talkative earlier.
You're bluffing.
Hey, Math Blaster, I don't give a fuck, okay? I'm just the messenger here. Says you're not calculating that shit stuck to your leg, dumbass.
Fuck it.
Hey, great! All go to plan. Now get out of there, babe.
Come on.
Il y a un monde où Spectre c'est son père. Hein.
Yeah. Status.
Pulse status stable. Foreign device detected.
Merde. Boum boum.
Warning. Warning. Warning.
Bonsoir, bien sûr. Aïe, aïe, aïe.
It was just over 4 months ago that images like this were recorded across the Southland. Videos flooded social media and our newsroom, showing what many thought to be the death of Mecha Man. Again. For nearly 50 years, a Mecha Man has protected Los Angeles. Built by an ordinary civilian with no superpowers. This first suit was dubbed by some fans as Mecha Man Prime. 3 generations of pilot, their identities kept secret, have given everything to protect this community, including their lives. After the tragic passing of Prime, the next Mecha Man, known as Astral, teamed up with a star-studded superhero group known as the Brave Brigade, leading to an unprecedented period of peace in the Southland. After years of loyal service, tragedy struck again, when Shroud, a former Brave Brigade member turned villain, killed the pilot of Mecha Man in cold blood. But yet again, as hope was lost, a 3rd generation of Mecha Man emerged. A Mecha Man for the modern era. A bulwark against organized crime in the greater Los Angeles area. Until today. Earlier today, Mecha Man broke his silence and addressed the media.
OMG.
There's been a lot of speculation about my health and the state of the Mecha Man suit, and I'm here to put that speculation to rest. The suit has been damaged beyond my ability to repair, so I will be stepping back from superhero work, effective immediately.
Does this mean you're finished?
Can you repair your
What's next for
suit?
Mecha Man?
Does this mean your career is
How
over?
badly were you hurt?
One at a time, please.
Ashley Rhiness, San Pedro Daily, do you have anything to say to your fans? The public outpouring, the vigils, a lot of them were worried you wouldn't wake up.
I just want to say thank you for the support. I hope to be worthy of it. Next question.
Chris Stratton, Torrance Tribune. Does this mean you're retiring as Mecha Man? Word on the street is, you're donezo.
Are you 100 years old? Why are you talking like that?
Answer the question, buddy boy. Are you retiring? My readers need the skinny, and I aim to deliver. Let's get it on the record.
Look, I'm not retiring. Not yet, at least.
Any idea what you can do without the Mecha Man suit?
Not yet. All right, just one more, please. I gotta get back to, just one more. Preferably someone from the Century.
Charles Kingsley, South Bay Signal. So, Shroud kills your father, goes to jail 15 years, breaks out, and immediately dupes you into a trap where he destroys the Mecha Man suit and puts you in a coma for months.
Ah ouais, des mois.
I didn't hear a question in there.
Two-parter. First, why didn't Shroud kill you? You haven't been conscious for months. It'd be easy money taking you out.
Okay, Shroud wanted the Astral Pulse and Mecha Man gone. He got both. I'm not sure I mattered much.
Right. You're unimportant. Which leads me to my next question. Most heroes avenge their family. You did the opposite. You killed their legacy. How disappointed would your dad be if he were here right now? Your
Horrible.
father, your grandfather. They must be rolling over in their graves.
Je vais juste partir. Ah non.
Up next, is Mecha Man a mecha quitter?
Yeah, I mean, it seemed like it'd be better if he died than be a mecha coward, you know? What kind of example is he setting? Stay tuned to find out.
Ah oui.
Hey, assholes. Yeah, all you assholes. I was fucking watching that.
Hey, who you calling assholes, asshole?
I'll handle this idiot. Keep loading. We're out of here in 30. And who the fuck are you?
Yeah, you, go fucking hobo ranger? Who the fuck are you?
Right now, I'm someone with nothing to lose. which is probably bad news for you.
Well, with nothing you have, you're about to lose again.
Whatever the case, I'm enough to deal with a pack of fucking Skittles idiots like you.
God damn it. Look, you're hurt. You're not thinking straight. You don't want to fight someone who knows which hand every punch is coming from.
Ouf, je me fais tabasser en plus, ça, ouais.
What the?
That guy I threw, he landed on the roof, right?
All good.
Phew. Hi, I'm Blonde Blazer. I work over at Superhero Dispatch Network.
Hey, hi, yeah, I know who you are. You're like, famous.
Oh, I don't know about that. I'm just a corporate hero for hire. You're the real deal. You're the famous one.
Right, I don't think infamous is the same as famous, but...
Oh god, your arm.
Fuck. Oh yeah, that's gross.
Yeah, you look like some kind of mime DJ. Let me see it. I'll help you. Usually dislocates the other way.
Okay, but have you done this before? Because maybe... Ow! Ow! Okay! Wow, that's okay. Thank you.
One of them is on that roof. You look like you could use a drink.
What makes you say that?
C'est une cinématique entière. C'est fou.
I didn't even realize it.
Yeah, well, you know what? They can taste the rainbow in jail.
What do you mean? Like different colored dicks? Shit. Sorry.
I actually didn't know what I meant, but you know what? It should have been that.
I'm a little buzzed. I don't really make jokes like that. I think Vizzy's rubbing off on me.
Who?
Someone I work with. It's... yeah.
Pas de bord de l'eau, c'est important.
That feels like a challenge.
Oh, no. It's fine. Don't worry about keeping up. Something to do with the powers. It takes a lot for me to feel anything.
What a sad sentence.
Hey, you should give yourself more credit. To do what you did for as long as you did. Especially without superpowers.
Not true. What do you call this?
I can fix that one for you too.
No thanks, I like this one.
Thank you. So, how did you afford all that? You must have spent hundreds of thousands of...
Millions. So you'll understand when the check comes.
You're serious? Millions.
Yeah, I basically burned through my entire inheritance keeping it going. The last couple of years have just been duct tape and sheer determination.
Why did you do it?
Do what?
Sacrifice everything to be a superhero to the point of financial...
Ruin?
I was gonna say hardship, but ruin was the first word that came to mind, yeah. You must be completely broke at this point.
Honestly, it's the only thing I'm good at.
Now that's a sad sentence. Come on, that can't be true. I guess it could be true. So, are you drunk yet or what?
Yeah, I should probably switch into water.
Good, because I was hoping, after some drinks to loosen you up, I could learn a little more about you. And, if all that went well, present you with a proposition.
A proposition?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out if this is a fit or not, you know? Then it's just a matter of picking the right moment.
Well, I have to say, Blazer, that does sound intriguing.
That's actually not water.
God, this is like pure alcohol.
It's not like alcohol, it is alcohol. I know because you spit it directly into my open mouth. That's water. That, see? How it has ice in it?
You drink hard liquor from a pint glass?
Actually, I usually just drink it straight from the bottle, but I thought that would be embarrassing. I'm gonna go clean up.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. I will be right back.
What are you doing?
Direct à la bouteille.
Hey, I'm talking to you, bitch.
Alright, just so you know, I only turned around because someone yelled, not because I'm a bitch or anything.
Don't you watch the news? This is a superhero bar.
Oh, wow, are you a superhero? That's so cool. Is this your power? You're like, tell people obvious shit guy?
Well, you're really going to act like you don't remember me.
Wait, it's coming back to me. Hold on. Yeah, it's coming back to me. Oh, wait. I know it. You are sunglasses indoors at night guy. Your superpower is that you're able to let everyone know in the room that you're a douchebag, because you should literally never do that unless you're at the final table of the World Series of Poker, but even then, if you win, you're still a fucking loser.
Shit. That is... damn.
You good?
Sorry, I choked on my spit.
No, like a bitch. I control the fire.
The fire?
And the flame. And my
Bonsoir,
skin
Hattori.
does not burn. I am flambé. And you...
Wait, oh shit, I do remember you. You're that shitty villain I busted up.
Eh bah ça va bien. À fond dans le jeu. Dans la cinématique qui ne s'arrête jamais. Et toi, comment ça va, Hattori? On est au tout début. Hein.
You need to get the fuck out of here. Now, we can do this the easy way.
Sorry. Which way was that?
Hey! No, Punch Up. You're literally fanning the flames right now.
Shit, yeah, you're right. Anybody got a rug? You gotta drop and roll, lad.
Thought he doesn't burn.
Some people become scared before they even know they're hurt. Like babies.
Hey,
un peu fatigué?
Mecha Dick,
Bah alors?
get the fuck out of here.
I get it. Can you just tell Blazer I'm outside?
Ow!
Ah oui.
Relax. I'm leaving.
Je me fais mettre à la porte, quoi. Bah super. Un peu fatigué. T'as eu un gros samedi, Hattori?
Hey, I couldn't find you.
It's cool. I was just admiring the art on this dumpster. Can't tell why anyone would put those words together. Why are you holding drinks?
Nightcap?
You're in trouble.
Actually, according to the bartender, that's exactly what you are. What happened in there? I walk out and the bartender's pissed. The whole energy is awkward. And why'd it smell like burnt hair?
Oh, my glass slipped and I made a little mess.
Just a little mess?
Yeah? Does that not sound convincing enough?
Hold these. I know a place.
You stung.
It's a little out there. Easier if we fly.
Ah oui. Trop bien, moi aussi je veux voler comme ça. Oui, on va dire ça, dit Hattori. Ah oui, bah écoute, j'espère que tu vas pouvoir te détendre un peu avec le live et le jeu, qui a l'air incroyable en tout cas. C'est un film. Voilà, c'est un film. Je m'attendais pas à ça, mais c'est trop cool. C'est un film, je vois, c'est ça. Bah, j'avais joué à The Wolf Among Us et j'avais pas souvenir que c'était aussi filmesque, on va dire. Peut-être que c'est parce que c'est le prologue, je sais pas.
I actually thought you were taking us to sit on it.
Oh yeah, that would have been cool. No, yeah, this is better because you can see it, and it looks like there's a couple up there already. So.
I really appreciate you coming to my rescue back there. I still think I could have handled it, but all I'm trying to say is thanks. I should have just said that, but yeah, I'm still talking.
Don't you worry about it, Robert Robertson.
C'est vraiment son nom, Robert Robertson.
How do you know my name?
Oops.
What's going on?
Okay, I'll tell you. But only after you tell me how you ended up with a name like that.
Oh, you mean a name like Robert Robertson III?
The third? 3 times this happened?
There was Grandpa Bobby, then my dad, who I called Dad, but everyone else called Robbie, and then me, Robert, because I wanted to be taken seriously.
Family tradition.
In more ways than one. Gramps was the first Mecha Man. He died in the suit before I was born. Dad was killed fighting Shroud. That's when I took over. There was a little inheritance and the life insurance money.
I'm so sorry. I didn't realize.
Just your run-of-the-mill, sad superhero origin story. The family tradition, if there is one, is dying in that suit. Which I guess I don't have to worry about anymore. What is it?
I'm not quite drunk enough to share my origin story just yet. But remind me to tell you someday.
Definitely.
Vous les gens, c'est quoi votre origin story de super-héros? Comment elle le juge? Le bisou? Ah bah non. Non, non, mais elle est drunk en plus, on va pas le faire. C'est pas forcément consenti.
Sorry, I'm actually here with a purpose. The way I went about things tonight.
J'ai pas qui c'est, j'ai pas qui c'est.
It was all a little loose, a little unprofessional.
Unprofessional? I'm not sure that applies to this.
I'm actually here on official business.
Et ouais, voilà.
How I know your name, the proposition I mentioned right before you spit in my mouth.
Still mortified about that.
It's fine. Do you remember a superhero named Trackstar?
Remember, of course. He's like family. That I haven't talked to in a while. But what about him?
I work with him at SDN. He recommended you. Mentioned that he worked with your father.
Yeah, he was the youngest member of the Brave Brigade, so he was kind of my babysitter for a while. How's he doing?
He's doing great. He's why I'm here. Robert, I would like to make you an offer. In exchange for dispatching and mentoring some of our rookie heroes, SDN can make you Mecha Man again. But this time with all the resources that a company as big as ours has at its disposal. No more paying out of pocket for repairs.
Caching.
Support staff, the whole shebang.
My suit was totally destroyed.
I saw the report, studied the footage. It's not totally destroyed, just mostly. It's a big
80%.
investment. It'll take considerable time and money to get the suit repaired and the missing pieces replaced. Plenty of time to learn how to dispatch and level up some of the heroes on our roster. Your experience, your work ethic, your perspective, it's all invaluable. Share it, Robert. You have a lot left to give.
Wait, so you want me to sit in an office and dispatch heroes?
That's the idea. But just until we get your suit put back together.
What's dispatching even mean?
Oh, right. I was supposed to test you at the bar. Here.
En rupture,
Drunk
Hattori?
people shouldn't be throwing things at drunk people.
Noted.
Am I waiting or are you waiting? What's going
It
on?
was supposed to open up when I threw it to you. Okay, there. Pop it on.
Comment
This
ça, en
is part of
rupture?
the assessment.
T'essaies de l'avoir en
Don't move
physique?
too much in there. You're sitting on the edge of the billboard.
OMG.
Greetings and welcome to this training simulation. We may
Ah
be
oui, on a maths.
superheroes.
Ouais, j'avais regardé
We're
aussi.
nothing without SDN's real hero, the Dispatcher. So, Dispatcher, where do we start?
Putain, ça y est, ça aussi une pause. Wouh, je peux parler. Bah, en vrai, pourquoi pas refaire... Parce que là, pour l'instant, il n'y a pas tout le jeu qui est sorti. Il y a tout le jeu qui sort que la semaine prochaine, je crois. Donc franchement, si les épisodes sont assez courts, pourquoi pas refaire une session en attendant que ça sorte, les nouveaux épisodes. Et réessayer tous les choix que j'ai pas fait. Je vais mettre un super-héros et trouver l'amour. Mon rêve. Tu serais quoi comme super-héros? T'as le droit de dire comme Mekamen, hein, en mode je suis millionnaire, c'est mon super-héros. Milliardaire. Moi, je sais pas. Un super-héros. Faudrait un pouvoir cool, mais pas trop chiant, genre. Genre, tu vois, la meuf qui est super forte, là, bah, elle a des difficultés pour. Physique, de base, je sais pas si c'était là quand elle en a parlé. Mais sinon, il est pas trop cher sur Steam. Hein. C'est pour ça que je me suis permis de le prendre. Enfin, il est pas trop cher. C'est un petit prix, mais je trouve que pour soutenir un nouveau studio comme ça qui fait des trucs cool, c'est... Is ok, quoi. Comparé aux 80 balles que maintenant on a l'habitude pour les gros jeux. Moi, je me suis dit, allez, pourquoi pas. Périphérique clavier. Nice. Et bonsoir, cet Animax. On est sur, du coup, Dispatch. Je suis au tout début, je crois, de l'épisode 1 encore. Ou alors l'épisode 1 va finir quand j'aurai fini le tuto. Mais là, on a eu une grosse cinématique de facile 30 minutes. Donc, désolé, il fallait être là pour voir la cinématique des débuts. Mais en gros, on est Mekaman et notre armure vient de se faire détruire. Et là, on essaie de se... Enfin, une super-héroïne essaie de nous recruter. Je suis sur la télé, Maë, au secours! Ah! Faudrait que tu m'envoies une petite photo, ce serait drôle. J'ai vu passer ce jeu sur Steam, je sais pas du tout ce que c'est. Est-ce que t'as joué à The Wolf Among Us? Il y a longtemps. À l'époque. Oh, t'aimerais pouvoir te téléporter, Maë? J'avoue, c'est pas mal, hein. C'est... Je pense que c'est le super-héros qu'on voudrait tous, même si on est juste quelqu'un de lambda. Non mais je vois ce que c'est. Ok, ok. En vrai, cette épée, je pense que c'est vraiment le truc que moi, actuellement, je voudrais avoir, juste comme ça. Mais quel super-héros tu... Enfin, quel super pouvoir tu voudrais s'il fallait que tu fasses la bagarre, quoi. Le pouvoir de Superman, juste super fort, quoi. Ok. J'avoue que pouvoir cette épée, c'est pas mal, hein. Moi, je sais pas trop. Je pense à un truc un peu... Ouais, genre voler, déjà, j'aimerais bien savoir voler, mais je pense qu'il y a des super pouvoirs que tu peux combiner, genre par exemple... Genre, je pense que la métamorphose, c'est pas mal, parce que tu peux... T'es versatile, tu vois, genre tu peux devenir un gros monstre pour taper fort, et en même temps tu peux voler en te mettant des ailes, et en même temps tu peux ressembler à quelqu'un d'autre. Enfin, vraiment, t'es versatile de fou, je trouve, en métamorphose. Donc je pense que je prendrais la métamorphose, ce serait pas mal. Ouais, c'est stylé la métamorphose. Et juste quand t'as la flemme, tu redeviens toi, tu vois. Ou être invisible. Ouais, invisible, c'est pratique, mais... Ça fait très social angoisse, quoi. Juste invisible et t'es en mode je fais ma vie, là 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 là. Bon, alors on va continuer le tuto. Hop, voilà.
Well, well. It appears we've got our first call from a subscriber.
I saw some scary, suspicious men last night leaving the old movie theater.
You'll receive requirements to help you determine which heroes to send.
Quand tu repères des méchants et tout, ouais, bah oui.
Such an array of brave heroes to choose from. How could you possibly pick just one? This graph will show you what a hero does well and not so well.
Bah, à part pour espionner, ouais, ça doit pas être très pratique d'être invisible, ouais, ouais. Bah, ça doit être utile pour les gens qui ont justement du mal et des angoisses. Oh! Laissez-moi parler, truc. Attends, c'est Animax, tu dis des choses que le bot il aime pas. Est-ce que nos vêtements deviennent invisibles aussi quand on les porte? Sinon, faut être à poil en permanence, c'est pas pratique. Bah oui, oui. Bah oui, tout à fait, ouais, c'est... Je pense que... Là, je crois que dans le jeu, il y a quelqu'un qui devient invisible et ses vêtements deviennent invisibles en même temps qu'elle. Du coup, ça va. Le jeu qui dit littéralement « Joue! Joue! Arrête de parler !» J'espère que vous avez tout compris, les gens.
Now that at least one hero is being dispatched, it's time to get to work.
Se téléporter, ça peut être trop bien pour voyager et le gain de temps pour aller aux courses et autres. Bah oui, ça Animax, c'est ce que je disais aussi, que juste moi tout seul, si j'avais pas de méchant à casser la gueule, le téléporter, enfin savoir téléporter, c'est incroyable. Mais savoir voler aussi, c'est cool parce que tu rentres des déplacements cool, quoi. Donc voler ou se téléporter si c'est juste moi, et si c'est pour péter la gueule aux méchants, la métamorphose, c'est bien. Alors lui, il est très fort en force, en combat. Il y a vigueur, il y a mobilité, il y a charisme et il y a intelligence. Alors j'ai joué à la démo du jeu. Donc je capte un peu les mécaniques.
I will now return to SDN.
En vrai, se téléporter en combat, c'est pas mal en vrai. Ouais, mais est-ce que t'as un cooldown, genre... Genre, est-ce que tu peux vraiment te TP à l'infini? Ou est-ce que... Puis déjà, si tu te foires, tu te téléportes pas dans le bon truc, et genre, imagine, tu perds un membre juste parce que tu t'es TP un peu trop à droite ou un peu trop à gauche dans le combat. En vrai, c'est... Ouf! Heureux, je vais fumer, dit Hattori. Et bah bon fumage. Allô, le jeu? Le jeu! En attente, oui. Ah, est-ce que j'ai un bug? Ça y est, Hattori va fumer le jeu ne... Allô? J'ai trop ignoré le jeu. Non, le jeu, non. Non, le jeu revient. Comme par hasard, bah oui. Bah c'est FF, hein. C'est FF, j'ai l'impression. Aïe. Attendez, retour au menu. Oui. Jouer. Ah, je peux la copier. Marrant. Continuez.
Oh, right. I was supposed to test you at the bar. Here.
The drunk people shouldn't be throwing things at drunk people.
Est-ce qu'on peut passer? Putain, on peut pas passer les trucs? Aïe aïe aïe, on peut pas passer les cinématiques.
Pop it on. This is part of the assessment. And don't move too much in there. You're sitting on the edge of the billboard.
Greetings and welcome to this training simulation. We may be superheroes, but we're nothing without SDN's real
Allez,
hero,
on y croit.
the Dispatcher. So, Dispatcher, where do we start?
À chaque fois dans les streams, dès que j'arrive, il y a un truc qui merde. Ah ouais? Putain, t'as le mauvais œil ou quoi?
Well, it appears
I saw some scary, suspicious men last night leaving the old movie theater.
you'll receive requirements to help you determine.
Oh non, non.
Such
Ah
an
c'est bon,
array of
merci.
brave heroes to choose from.
J'étais en mode, mais le jeu est bugué de fou.
Possibly pick just one.
C'est vrai,
This graph
Hattori
will show
Kamikaze.
you what a hero does well and not so well.
Le viewer maudit.
A hero with a knack for vigor and combat looks right for the job. That sounds like me, Phenomaman. Now that at least one hero is being dispatched, it's time to get to work. A sound approach.
Merci de votre soutien. Et des bisous surtout. Hein.
Now return to SDN.
Allez, on y croit, 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 on y croit.
When a hero returns to SDN, they'll need some much-needed R&R. That stands for rest and relaxation.
Ok.
Don't forget to review your hero's performance.
Let's
It won't be
go.
sent out again until you do.
Alors enfin, ces héros, sinon ils ne pourront pas repartir en mission.
On SDN's state-of-the-art graph, we can see an analysis of what skills the call required. Let's see how well I did after responding to that caller's, call. There's no such thing as a perfect fit. Use your intellect and your roster to your advantage. The more that my skills align with the needs of the job, the more likely I am to succeed.
Et là, il foire. Non. Oh, c'était...
Organized criminals, often led by figurehead supervillains, are the scourge of Southern California. We work tirelessly to root them out.
Okay, nice.
We've got a potential villain hideout on the college campus.
Sometimes the solution is brains, not brawn. SDN's diverse array of heroes can solve any problem.
Pom pom, trop cute. Enquêter au dortoir, du coup vu que c'est elle qui... Non, je vais envoyer le... Elle.
Let's make history.
Et puis je vais envoyer... lui. Non, juste elle, non lui.
You look lovely today, by the way.
Knowledge is power.
Je sais pas à quel point les trucs sont scriptés ou pas dans ce jeu et à quel point tout va foirer si je foire. Parce que j'ai juste joué à la démo et dans la démo il n'y avait pas de... Let's go.
What can I say? A lot, actually.
Moi c'est que le tuto donc je m'en fiche, mais voilà voilà. Tant qu'ils reviennent du repos, vu que c'est le tuto, c'est pas timé.
The museum is doing an exhibit on local superheroes and need a guest speaker.
Ah ouais, un guest speaker. Quelqu'un qui parle bien. Bah lui. Again.
Gladly.
One of your heroes needs you. As their leader, your heroes will look to you. Make choices and follow where they lead.
Ah. Faites pas de danse. C'est ce qu'on prépare par Asia, je n'arrive pas à capter l'audience. On va devoir improviser. Des blagues, des blagues. C'est pas tout le temps des blagues.
These choices need the right skill. Remember each of your hero's strengths and weaknesses.
Ok, nice.
The convoy of Diablo's goons are harrying the highway patrol.
As if traffic in this city was not bad enough.
Speaking of traffic and going places, does SDN offer paid time off to take vacations?
Of course. PTO accrues at a regular rate over time. Use it however you like, as long as you discuss your schedule with your manager well in advance.
What the fuck is a PTO?
J'aime bien un peu le RP entreprise là, ça me... J'espère qu'ils vont faire quelque chose avec d'un point de vue narration en tout cas. Course poursuite, ah c'est Marcel ou pas du tout? Marcel, tu veux pas dire Marvel? Sinon non, c'est pas du tout du Marvel, c'est une histoire sur des super-héros, mais il n'y a pas de super-héros du Marvel. Genre je pense qu'il y en a qui sont inspirés, mais ça va être très du second degré.
Exactly right.
Oh ouais, déjà vous, let's go.
Let's dash. Loud and clear. Moving out.
The diabolical supervillain El Diablo is attacking Los Angeles General.
Oh no.
It's one of my arch nemesises, El Diablo. That means the Diablo in Spanish.
Huh, he must have been using the convoy ambush as a distraction.
And to attack helpless hospital people. That craven bastard.
Speaking of hospitals, did you know SDN offers a robust benefits package for all full-time employees?
That's phenomenal.
Ça fait marrant parce que du coup ils mettent plein d'avantages de travailler à SDN alors que là on essaye justement de me recruter à SDN et c'est assez drôle. Oui, ça, je pense que ça fait penser à The Boys, ouais, en peut-être moins trash. Et,
On my way, citizens.
et peut-être.
I am on the way.
Un énorme monstre. Oh ouais. Bon, on va attendre que les gens reviennent un peu, hein, puisque j'avoue que là... Aïe aïe aïe. Aïe aïe aïe, ça va peut-être pas passer, hein.
SDN values work-life balance. When the bell rings, your shift will end very soon.
Ah, ok.
There's a giant monster attacking downtown! Save us, SDN!
Ah ouais, mais j'ai que des gens pas ouf, hein. Désolé, hein. Bah attends, on va faire ça. Voilà.
I do things by the book.
Okay.
Sometimes a hero can use their talents to tip the scales. They are superheroes after all.
Hmm.
El Diablo's threat has been eliminated. The children are safe and sound.
Nice. Le problème c'est que là je n'ai aucun héros, malheureusement.
I need help getting to my doctor's appointment.
Oh god, no. Help us. We're being held hostage. Send help, please.
You can find suggestions on how to handle hostage situations on page 234 of SDN's Guide to Dispatching.
A wise choice.
Ah oui. Ok, c'est bon. Ok.
Folks, call me Justice.
El Diablo's goons are running scared. We're right on the heels of his sidekick, El Diablito.
Faut le traquer, faut aller vite du coup je suppose.
Clock this.
Poursuivre l'acolyte du diablo jusqu'à sa base, résister aux attaques de masse des sbires et vaincre et capturer le diablo. Bah j'espère que ça va le faire. Parce que j'ai que... Aïe, aïe, aïe. Non, non.
It is quite all right. You're still learning.
Aïe. Non. Je foire tout. Aïe. Tant pis pour la mamie qui voulait aller à son rendez-vous. Bah ouais, bah tant pis pour les otages, tant pis pour les diablos aussi, hein.
Our shift is done now. It is time for lunch.
We couldn't have done it without you, dispatcher.
Too true.
I'm going to enhance my break time with some of the snack offerings in our break room vending machines.
Great idea. Thank you again, dispatcher. I hope to be seeing a lot more of you. Goodbye for now, and don't forget to be phenomenal.
Did he just say phenomenal? It felt pretty natural to me. And that it's natural for me to end up mid-tier, that said, for a first time, it feels pretty...
Oh non, Bébou ronfle.
Did I drool on you?
I don't think so.
Well, you see why we thought of... Well, why Trackstar thought of you.
It makes sense, yeah.
Meet me at the SDN offices tomorrow. I'm not done saving you yet.
Is there a ladder or...
Il l'a laissé comme ça. Oh, le gorky.
Sorry I'm late.
Quoique, sa tronche il ressemble un peu à Ubu, le chien de Eva. J'ai un croisé chihuahua.
Were you a good boy?
On peut pète le chien. C'est bon.
I met a nice lady. She wants to help us out.
Fin du jeu, non je rigole. Donc ça fait vraiment épisode en fait. Allez, la suite. Ah, 51% des joueurs ont arrosé avec de l'alcool. Oui, parce que du coup, il me... C'est cool qu'on voit les choix des gens. Aïe aïe aïe. C'est moitié-moitié quand même. Hein. 46 des joueurs n'avaient pas embrassé Aurore. Aïe aïe aïe. Moitié-moitié, hein. C'est pas la run 1%, mais presque. Ah putain, il y a plein de gens qui remontent pas le sbire quand même. Hein. Attends, je capte. Hein. J'ai réussi de justesse le tutoriel. Oh non. J'ai réussi de justesse le tutoriel, j'en peux plus. Bah même à la fin, elle a été dure, les gars. C'est pas ma faute. Non, c'est pas fini, c'est que le premier épisode. En fait, il y en a plusieurs et ils considèrent ça comme des épisodes.